My name is Barrett Jocks, and I'm from Nashville, Tennessee.
And I'm Prom Carmichael, also from Nashville, Tennessee. The name of our company is MinusCal. We're seeking $500,000 for 20% of the business.
Damn.
Now, 45 million Americans go on a diet each year, but the fact that 70% of adults are either obese or overweight means that something's not working.
We need more lettuce and fewer French fries. That's easy to say, harder to do, and it's always a lot less fun.
That's where MinusCal comes in, a science-based snack bar and diet tablet that block fat when you eat it.
And how does MinusCal block fat?
So imagine your digestive tract is a party, and our ingredient, the Colive, is the bouncer. When the fat shows up at the party without an invitation, Colive escorts the fat out of the party and out of your system, keeping you from absorbing those calories from fat. It's that simple.
And Colive is not a sketchy chemical. Colive is a proprietary, all-natural blend coming from fermented tea. That's our trade secret. And we're able to put Colive in a variety of delicious foods.
MinusCal is a great way to lose weight and to achieve better health. So Sharks, who's ready to have your cake and eat it too?
None of the Sharks invested. I'll just let you know that. This went downhill really quick.
Some of it isn't even really legal related. The fat that you don't want is the fat that's on you, not the fat you ate. The fat you eat is an excellent source of calories. People shouldn't be avoiding fat from that perspective, period.
That's a good
But
point.
that's just a sciencey thing, not a marketing thing. And then they zoomed right past trade secret, talking about the chemical that they're using that somehow they increase the potency of 20 times. A trade secret, I think, is genius, right? Patents are awesome because you get a government-sponsored, permitted monopoly for 20 years or 15, depending. But there's a reason Coke doesn't have a patent on their recipe, right? Because they get to keep it forever. But that only works for certain things where it's once somebody gets the idea, they can't go and reverse engineer it very well. I mean, that's why RC Cola and Pepsi suck, because it's just not easy to do.
Yeah.
But with what they're talking about, I'm not sure. I just don't know. Trade secret's the right play. I'd need more information. Could have said, hey, we have a patent or a patent pending. 12 years. They haven't even tried to do that. It's a little mysterious.
Reverse engineerability, I mean, that is the test, right? If after selling that product, if a competitor or someone like them could actually break it apart and find out how they or what molecule they amplify, they actually probably should try to get a patent on it. But if it's really hard to reverse engineer, maybe they can't actually identify what was amplified, right? Would you say maybe trade secret is the best one?
Yeah, for sure.